You know those nights when you're craving Taco Bell, something cheesy, saucy, a bit on the crunchy side, but you don't feel like heading out? Well, today we're putting together that creamy chicken skillet that hits all of those flavors, and honestly, it might even be better. So let's make it up. You're gonna love this. So right off the bat, to make things easy, I bought a chicken at the deli. A little on the overdone side, but it'll do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of slice those legs off because I want some dark meat and I want some white meat. I don't know, we can't really use the wings. And then I will slice a good slab off the old breast here. We're going to use that. And what we're going to do is shred this up. And I don't really want the skin on, I just want the meat. So I'm going to take the skin off there. I know there's seasoning on there, but you can eat that too. And then we'll simply just grab up 2 forks and just kind of shred this. And like I say, guys, you don't have to use deli chicken. It was only about $10, so it was kind of handy. And this meal you can put together in like 15 minutes, so it's so easy. But you could poach up chicken yourself and shred it. You could even use the stand mixer to shred it up. So, you be the boss of your own chicken. Maybe have some leftover. That'll work fine too. Okie dokie, we are all shredded up here, and I guess I've got about 3 or 4 cups, something like that. That's about all we need. The combination of white and dark meat, like I said. So next up, we're going to make our wonderful sauce, and to do that, I'm going to go in with a cup of sour cream, and make sure I get it all. This is like 14% fat on the sour cream, so that's not too bad. Follow that up with half a cup of good old mayo, and this is just the Hellmann's. You can use whatever you want. Just don't use Miracle Whip. It's way too on the sweet side. Then a packet of the good old El Paso taco seasoning. I mean, I'll put a recipe below. You can make it yourself, but it's just as cheap to buy the El Paso. 2 teaspoons of pickle juice, and this is the one with the jalapenos in it. It had that bit of zippy zap in it. Then about half a teaspoon of cumin, just add a little extra. And follow that up with another half teaspoon of the smoked paprika. Now guys, what I've done is I've turned up the heat to medium-low because we don't want this too hot, otherwise it's going to curdle. And because we're not using fat, or I should say we're not using the heavy cream, we're using sour cream. So it's a little bit more delicate. So low heat, medium-low heat, and just keep a whisking until it begins to bubble. Now, I guess you could use heavy cream here, but the fat content's a little lower in sour cream, like it's 14% in sour cream, where it's 30 in heavy cream. And I tend to like the taste of sour cream a little better. And if this is on the thick side, you can add a little bit more milk in. All right, my friends, you can see we're starting to get a bit of a bubble there. So I'm just going to let this cook for another minute or two to get everything all heated up. But this is looking like a good sauce. And I did give it a taste, and it is kind of on the, well, not kind of, but it is on the yummy side. Very yummy. Then we're going to grab up that chicken and add it to that yummy sauce. Ooh. And like I said before, this is about 3 cups of chicken, something like that. Now we'll grab up the old spoon and fold everything in there. And just look at this. Isn't this looking good? All right, this is pretty good, just like this, guys. Just look at this, that creamy chicken shredded. Oh my goodness. But we ain't done yet, so make sure you stick around, because we are going over the top with about half a cup of shredded mozzarella. And like I always say, get a good mozzarella if you can, because it just melts, it tastes a whole lot better. And follow that up with about a cup or a cup and a half of Monterey Jack. Now you could use cheddar, but Monterey Jack melts a whole lot better, and I just like the taste of it. Plus the fact this is Monterey Jack with some jalapeno in it, so it's going to give it even more zippy zap. Now we're going to slip a lid on this and let it simmer away over low heat for a few minutes until that cheese melts down. Now I suppose you could put it in the oven too, but I'm just going to do it this way. And while that cheese is melting down, I'm just going to grab up a fresh tomato here. And what we're going to do is just kind of dice that up, because it's going to go over the top. And the same thing with the green onion, because we are going to use this as a garnish. Oh, this is going to be so good, my friends. After about 4 minutes or so, that cheese has melted down beautifully, and just look at that gooey creaminess of the cheese, or the sauce. It smells so good. And what I'm going to do is grab up some restaurante yellow corn chips, and we are going to crumble those over the top. Maybe something like this. You want a bit of a chip on there, not too terribly crumbled. How about something like this, because you want that cheese showing through and that creamy chicken. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go over and garnish this up with those tomatoes we sliced up. And of course, the redder the tomato, the better the pop. But it is what it is. It's still April here. And then, of course, those green onions. Just look at those beautiful, vibrant colors. If this isn't a restaurant style, guys, I don't know what is. And there she be, my friends, our better than Taco Bell creamy chicken nacho skillet. Everybody is gonna love this, but don't go away yet because we've got some tasting to do. And oh dear guys, the weather, it's April 21st now, and it is like 34 degrees or 2 degrees Celsius. Ridiculous. Are we ever going to get spring? I don't know. Hopefully May is a lot better. Let me know what it's like down your way, but it's terrible here. Okay, we are done. So let's reach in and grab this up. Make sure we get some tomatoes on there and some of those corn chips. You hear that crunch? And lift this up and just look at it, my friends. That creaminess, that cheese, the corn chips. Oh, talk about better than Taco Bell creamy chicken goodness. You are going to love this. Okay, time for the old taste test. I hate to brag, guys, but I have outdone myself. This was so good. You know, restaurant food's become so bad lately, and this is just absolutely wonderful. You are going to love this. The cheesiness, the creaminess, the chicken, the toppings, and even that hit of that corn chips is so good. Got to make this up. And if you do, leave us a comment. Love to read them. Most of all, like and subscribe. Helps the channel out. Stay tuned for many more videos. And guys, I am going to go in and have more because so good. See you next time.